quickly see your inventory levels as well as the ability to make inventory adjustments. If you're connected with the WMS, you can get your inventory simply by checking the box, then choose Get Inventory. You can follow the same process to check the box and export to see the details, or use these filters to search. Use Inventory Adjustment to make any adjustments. Please note that it's only for merchants that are not connected to a WMS. If you're not connected to a WMS, you'll see the ability to add new inventory or make necessary adjustments. To add new inventory, click Add New. Fill in your details, then click Save. To add a new adjustment to inventory, click Add New. Choose the information, it'll be listed here. Then select your adjustment status. Click the new status, then choose the adjustment reason and leave any notes as to the reason for the adjustment.